Here is a blooper reel because you all love to see the behind the scenes. So we've been on YouTube for a little over a year, and we have a lot of behind the scenes bloopers that we don't really post, but we actually have a lot of fun at work, and then we wanted to make a video and share it with everybody because people ask for them all the time. And like, just a reminder that we are all house cleaners, but now we're YouTube content creators. So we've been working together for a really long time. We do love each other, even if it gets a little bit catty. Okay, just prepare yourself for that. So let's get going. They haven't let me see this yet, so this is like a real-time reaction video, so I hope I don't get too mad. Like, this is a bristle, hold on. So upon closer, are you good? Yes. Someone's giving me a signal. Yeah. Now for the fun part, pressure washing.
Action.
Sorry. It's just like the first time you've said that. Like, they're like, you're cleaning in a dress? No, it was a movement. Yes, we can keep your house. Yes, sometimes we can fix things. Not all the time.
What are you looking at?
I'm waiting for you to cut. All right. All right, and that concludes. I just forgot what I was supposed to say. Hold on, shut up, just shut up. I got it. Okay, so. All right, we got it. Oh my god. Okay, okay, hold on a second. Someone on the roof over there. It's really distracting me. Okay, all right, ready? 3, 2, 1. I can do it, I can do it. If you have anything else that's outdoors, like 1 teaspoon of peroxide. Uh-oh, I gotta open this. Doesn't anything work when the camera's going? Not gonna lie, this one kind of stinks. Be careful around candles, obviously. No, I sound like a bitch. Just because I feel... Don't burn yourself. Here, this is an iron, obviously. So it's scene 8, take 1. Now I'm calling the scenes. What the
You guys are all gonna get fired.
Okay. We need to keep track for the whole entire like January 1st to December 31st next year how often I tell you I'm gonna fire you guys. Okay, we'll do it. Okay. You can make like an educated decision because we spent the money and cleaned it all for you. None of it, like none of it. Yeah, that's really it. I don't know. It's like, so if you, like, I know you don't have boyfriends, but if it doesn't work out, you know, like, you need to like go and live near a dental school or something.
It's a
Yeah,
good idea.
good idea.
That's a really good idea there.
Yeah.
We can write that down.
Write that down. Yeah, and then wear a shorter skirt or something.
Yeah, push-up
And
bra.
a push-up bra. And
Let's spy on his wife first, because he's already got one, but she's gonna have to go.
She's gonna have to be a girlfriend.
whatever. If anyone's boyfriend wants to go be a dentist, he passes all the classes, we'll open up a Gocleanco dentist office. Back him, okay? 10 years, come back, I'll tell you. Like the hard water is up deeper in the hole. Ding, ding, shh. So we're just making some extra paper towel here to like put it further up the hole. The cat distribution center or the world, it's called the World Cat Distribution System. How like you just end up with a f***ing cat. All right, and then I'm not sorry, I don't want to start with all right. Hold on, just stay where you are. Ready? What?
Do you need to have a drink?
I know, my lips are dry. I'm going to get in nice and deep to the fridge. Ice distribution center. Why did that make sense to me too?
It sounded like right to me for a second.
No, it does sound right. An ice distribution center. Oh my god, this is my land was supposed to be here. It fucking sucked about here. This is gonna just like maintain the health and ecosystem of your dishwasher. Ecosystem. At the end. And we're gonna test them today for you and just see what keeps things hot and not cold. So maybe that's what makes it easier to balance out summer fashion. You have a bit of a tan. Except for you, Georgia. With all, oh, f you guys. Like, this is, ooh, I just.
So, we're going.
Did you see that, Bryn?
Well, I have a bird's eye views.
Interesting.
These are actually so pretty.
Wait. Stella, was that you going like? That's out of character for Bryn. She's usually quite refined. Probably because nobody can breathe.
It was like
Sorry, I maybe mean Bryn's a little more professional when she's being paid. Number 3 is the fridge.
You made that look so hard.
This is where everyone's naked bodies go, and I'm like, do you want their foot fungus? No.
No. No.
The people might move out, but no. I'm going to do the fluffer. Actually,
don't say that.
What?
That's a bad thing. What is it?
Fluffer?
That's the thing with like.
That's porn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
Are you serious? And then we're gonna do a TikTok on this. Normally when you would have like fresh stains on carpets like this, you would pre-treat them, pre-spot treat them before you ripped out your carpet.
Deep breath, Sarah.
All right, we have arrived at the house in Burnaby, British Columbia, which is where the spring cleaning 2023 winter. Yeah, like imagine this, but porn.
Yeah.
Like it's like, oh, like, do you know what I mean? Like this. Yeah. It's good. It's really good.
Yeah. It was a really late reaction.
No, like it's really good. It tastes like frozen hot chocolate. Like it's
No, you drank it and then on the camera you just drink it and then go.
Yeah, well, I was looking at They cut.
Is that better?
Oh my god, look at how that mask, my whole entire face was like nose was rubbed off after this shower. I had a scab and everyone's like, oh no, you look fine. If I rewind it, my freaking skin is peeling off. It's from the lime away. So now that I've rinsed the hockey gear completely and now that I've rinsed the we'll put it in, nope. Okay, I can't start laughing, Stella. Shut up. Okay. So, as much as I can, I'll stay on my screen to show you how to get. And there we go. Because now it's not.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This water's really dirty. Do you ever have like the intrusive thought to just put like a sopping wet mop on the floor? Just like, yes. And just... Should I do it?
Yeah.
Georgia! This day I was gonna kill both of you. I remember texting Lana afterwards and being like,
This was a show.
those two aren't allowed to just be the two of them. Bleach, because that's stink. This like just like this is this. Oh my god. Scrubba dubba dubba. Hot diggity dog. Now we want to mop the floors because lots of time, I know a lot of people, a lot. Okay.
Row.
What?
If you have any feedback for us, leave it in the comments of like what your favorite paint is, what your favorite brand of paint is, and where you found that it's worked the best in your home, because I would love to do it, to find that out and then figure out, do a test. Guys, so close. Okay guys, I got it.
Do a test.
Okay, I got it. Okay, so I'm just gonna say, all right, so that concludes our wall testing. If you have any others, let me just do it, shut up, okay. Okay. Talking to myself, obviously. It's not a bad idea to keep some in your bathroom or in your cleaning closet so that you have it on hand all the time in case, because you need it when you don't think you need it, or you need it. Sorry, okay. Go again, one more time, okay.
It's always the outro.
It's always the outro, yeah.